Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Balwell at perfectgardens.com. So today we are talking about cleaning up your bottom 1/3 of your plants, and what does that all mean? Are you tired of getting crappy advice from your local hydroponics store? Or having to search all over forums to get advice that only takes you in different directions than solving your immediate problem? Well, join our membership for $50 a month. You get direct access to me. We'll connect on WhatsApp app. And just like this gentleman that started back in July with us, as problems arise, we are here for you. Okay, so whenever someone says to clean up your bottom 1/3 of your plants, that means the bottom 1/3 of every stem on your plant. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this bottom 1/3 right here, and then when I'm going to go over to the next shoot, and I'm going to clean up the bottom next 1/3. And I'm going to keep repeating this process on a weekly basis until about a week before I transition into flowering. If you're growing outdoors, that's going to be the 3rd week in July. And if you're growing indoors, obviously you have complete control. So let me show you what that looks like on every plant as I clean them up, one by one. This one doesn't have a lot, it's just growing, and I don't want to take off too much because it stresses the plant out, but I do want to take off a little bit because I don't want the plant to put additional energy into a stem that's not going to grow at all. Okay, this one's a little bit bigger. Take a little bit more off. And just to be aware, this would be a perfect time to clone my plants. These two right here is the ideal size for a clone right here. It's 6 inches. I have the main growing tip and 3 smaller right here for supportive growth. And this would be the ideal time to take a clone. Beautiful new growth. And if you're a breeder and you're working with seeds, the reason why you want to take your clones right here is because you don't know if this plant is going to be a male plant or a female plant. If it's going to have those types of characteristics you want to keep breeding into the future, or if you're going to want to cut back and just get rid of that strain. So the only way to know those things is to allow this plant to continue to keep growing, and then to take its genetics, its clippings, and to continue to keep growing these in a vegetative state until you have allowed this plant to fully flower out. You might even end up needing to take additional clippings off these, allow this generation to go into flowering before this one over here, the main mother, ever even finished off. Just so you're able to get into production quickly if it ends up being the strain that you absolutely love. All right, so let me go show you another one real quick. Okay, I hope this video was helpful on learning how to start trimming the bottom 1/3 of your plants. I will continue to keep redoing this exact same process once a week, like I said earlier, until the week I transition into flowering, because I do not want my plants to be stressed out as they start that flowering process. Thank you so much, and have a great grow, everyone.